Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'm cooking Chicken Tikka Kebabs in the Ooni Koda with the Sizzler Pan. I'm going to just put that in to warm up. So I've put that in to warm up for a few minutes, get that boiling hot, and then I'm going to add Chicken Tikka Kebabs. And then I'm going to put the Chicken Tikka onto pizza, and I'm also going to put them into some pita bread. I'm not making the pita bread, I've got some wholemeal pita bread. So it's just two variations of cooking Chicken Tikka Kebab in your pizza oven. Let's wait for this to warm up. I'll be back in a few minutes. In the middle of winter, I've got my garden brolly up because I'm really worried that's going to be rain. I'll be okay with this. Be alright if it does. I can smell my pan burning up. I'm going to get my glove as well for this because these things get so hot. I think it's now time. So these are my kebabs. These are chicken tikka, and I marinated them in the tikka paste overnight, and so they're all ready to go. I got them in a metal skewer because I couldn't find a bamboo one anywhere, and I can reuse these, so I'm doing some good for. Let's get these in. Right, I am going to turn it down because I've realised I've still got it on full. I've turned it down to low. Looking at the ones at the top there, I just need to move. Move them around a bit. The smell coming off here is so nice. I just want to get that top end. I realise I've got the handles now near the flame. My best advice for you to know if this is cooked is to use a temperature, like a meat thermometer. Mine's broken. Somebody stuck it in the dishwasher, thinking it was dishwasher proof, and completely ruined it. So I'm going to just make sure this is just really cooked. Maybe by keeping it in maybe a bit longer than I should, just to make sure, because I don't have that tool anymore. It's a shame. It's cooking very nicely, cooking very quickly. I'm steaming up. Give that a try. Perfect. So these taste lovely with this sauce, yogurt and the cucumber and the squeeze of lemon and some garlic, Greek yogurt, arugula, rocket leaf. Love it. In wholemeal pita bread. It's beautiful on a pizza with the warmth of the pizza dough and then warm melty cheese. But then it's also delicious cold on pita bread. A little bit of water going on the side of my, oh my, waiting for my stone to warm up again, and it's 363, so it's still got to warm up a bit. I've cut up all the chicken tikka from the Sizzler Pan cook, and I'm now going to put them on the pizza. It's ready for the Koda. Okay, the rain has stopped and luckily my oven wasn't warm enough to cook then. I would have cooked in it anyway, but it's now ready, so I'm going to put this in. It's 430 degrees, so let's get this in. It's gone so dark as well, so just can't believe how fast the weather's just changed. I'm using the same dough as I used last time. Recipes below, it's the changed viewers recipe dough. This is cooked really fast. This chicken tikka on there with the mozzarella and the tomatoes. I'm going to give that a try. It looks so nice. Wet, totally dry.